Hi everyone, this is Tanner here with another practical tip to help you become leather savvy. So what is leather? To me, leather is a fabric provided by nature to us to help us organize and protect our things while putting a nice outlook to it. If you think nature used leather in this perspective, imagine a cow, the skeleton, the organs of it, without the skin is messy. It's not gonna hold together. But nature covers it with that fabric, holds things together, organizes them, and protects them to some extent, as well as put a nice weavable look outside. We tanneries take leather as a dropping from the meat industry and repurpose it with similar parallel purposes to nature's intention to it and make crafts out of it so you can organize your things, protect them to some extent, and put a nice outlook to reflect, express yourself in the most unique and authentic way possible using this natural resource, fabric available to us. I hope this helps you understand the leather and how it should be used a little better so you can navigate the space better next time you're shopping for leather goods. Thanks for watching.